that you may need to charge while you're out camping, backpacking. Perfect. Y'all know I've been working on my mop bag. This is an accessory that I will be adding to it. This will very easily fit inside a backpack as well, and this is going to become one of my preps in my bags. Now, the great thing about this is very affordable, folks, and I will drop a link in the description as well as a link to our website where you can see MHPOWOS full line of solar panels, foldable panels, flexible panels, all of that good stuff. Also, it comes with 2 carabiners that you can hang from your tent, you can hang from your pack as well. We're going to hang this